I imagine if you've been paying attention and paid attention to the Illustrator videos, you already know what I'm going to say about the application frame. And that's just fine because I have more to say than that, and we'll get to that in a minute. But window application frame is something I absolutely want you to have because this is just pointless to try to work with the distractions of what's going on behind Photoshop. Okay, when we work on our art, we want nothing to distract. No dock down here. No less than full screen. Focus on our work. And you may find that even if you don't like this right now, you may see that, yeah, I can get lost in my work because none of the other distractions are tugging at my interest. I just fall into wondering what I can do with this image. This, I believe, is straight out of the camera. I'll try to locate this image. But that's what it started with. And, you know, that's a quick enhancement, maybe 2 minutes. Let's spend a little time when we get to layers and take this through and see what we can do with an image. And yeah, start with mine. I'll provide you a copy of this, and then try to play around with some of the photographs you've taken. You know, export them from your phone and see just how much better they might be. Because, hey, this doesn't look bad, right? But doesn't that look better? And notice this spider web? It bugged the heck out of me. You know, isn't it nice to get rid of distractions like that? That and more coming to a tutorial near you soon.